Hey guys, so monsoons are here and it can play havoc to your hair. I have 3 fast-free hairstyles to show y'all, so let's begin. So for the first one, and here I honestly recommend you all not to use a rubber band when your hair is wet or damp, as it puts too much pressure on your hair when it is at this weakest stage and can cause hair fall and hair breakage. Just twist the hair around the hand and pull it out and tuck all your hair under that, forming a bun. Use bobby pins or U-pins and secure from all the sides. And this way you have your own DIY bun without using a rubber band, and it doesn't put too much pressure on your hair either. Just loosen a few strands in the front and you're done. For the second one, divide your hair into 2 sections on both the sides. Repeat the same DIY bun at the back. Divide that into 2 random sections and twist around each other. Pull on it slightly and wrap it around the bun. Repeat the same on the other side. Tuck the ends under the bun. And for the last one, in case your roots are too flat and wet, just work your hair into a sleek high ponytail, as it's always in trend. And wrap a small section of hair around the rubber band. Use bobby pins or U-pins and secure from the side. And that's it, you're done. So I hope these hairstyles help you style your hair well on those rainy days. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. I love you all. Bye.